Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Speedrun IGT timer mod for Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, then you need to look, just write Speedrun IGT, Speedrun IGT, and then select by Moderate. Then what you need to do here is to go to game version, select game version, and then download it to your computer and save it. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to write fabric and then go to fabricmc.net, press on download, then download for Windows, save it to your computer as well. Then you need to download a fabric API. Here, press download, wait for a couple of seconds here until the download process is starting. And after you got all the files here, next thing what we need to do here is to install fabric. Just click on it, make sure your Minecraft is completely closed, and then press install. If for some reason it's not working, it's because you don't have Java 21, so just download Java 21, and then it should work. Then open up your Minecraft, then select a Java edition, installations here, and then look for Fabric Loader, open folder. Then what we need to do here is to go to mods. If you don't have mods folder, just create one. And then here, once you're in the mods folder, just put Speedrun and then Fabric API if you do not have already, right? Drag and drop it. And then you just need to launch the game. Just go to Fabric Loader and hit play. So guys, I just launched the game, and as you can see here on the top right, there is a timer. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.